What's up, everybody? EJ Fields here, bringing you another cardio drumming track. This one is called Wildfire, and if you like this song, hit like below. And if you want to see more routines like this, please subscribe to the page. That would be amazing. So this routine has a combination of a few things. So we're going to start marching it out. Then we're going to lunge over the top of the ball. Then we're going to hold it here in a position like this. So we're going to hit our sticks at the top. Then we got a combination of 7 counts. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So different combinations, man. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and you just follow along and let's get it. All right, here we go. March it out. Good. Yeah, here we go. Tap, tap, squat. Tap, tap, squat. Tap, tap, squat. Good. Nice and easy. Lunge. To the floor. Good. Squat low. Tap. Good. Sit in the squat. Breathe. Here we go. Top, top. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Side to side. Good. Here we go. Low pose. Chest up. Good. Jut. Out. Up. Out. Up. Out. Up. Out. Good. Good. Big side to side. All the way over. Good. Here we go. Tap, reach. All the way over there. Good. March it out. Good. Look like this, high knees. Good. Here we go. Lunge. Lower. Squat. Tap. Sit in it. Good. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Good. Side to side. Here we go. Good. Low pose. Get low. Jab. Up. Out. Up. Out. Good. 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 Breathe. Keep working. Good. Good. There we go.